How to update email linked to your Apple ID. Apple ID is the gateway to all of Apple's cross-device features. However, if the email attached to your Apple ID is outdated or there are any other security concerns, updating it should be your top priority. It appears that Apple is soon to rename Apple ID as Apple Account with the release of iOS 18, while the rebranding will not affect the functionality of users' accounts. Before starting the update, make sure your Apple device is connected to an internet source to avoid any issues during the updating process. GadInsider has brought you a step-by-step guide to updating your Apple ID email. If the stolen device protection feature is disabled on your device, changing the email associated with your Apple ID is easier. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now tap on your name, then tap on Sign In and Security. Select the Edit button next to email and phone numbers. Delete the email that's labeled as your Apple ID. Now choose a new Apple ID email. Once you've entered your new email, Apple will ask you to verify it. For that, use the verification code sent to your current email address. Once you've verified your identity, confirm the change of email address. When the email address is changed, the next step is to update the email address linked to other Apple services, iTunes, iCloud, and App Store.